Hello guys, today I will show you how to hide and unhide MX Player folder or MX Player file. So first of all you go to the MX Player, then you need to be hide and unhide any file or folder. So I hide this folder now, then I unhide this folder again. So first of all you click this, then you click three dot option, then click, then hide, then press OK. See, my folder record master is now hide. So now how can you unhide this folder? So again click on this three dot folder, then settings, list, then click folder, then this is my record master folder, just click, then remove. Show. Now see, my record master folder again come. So it is very easy and simple. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.